Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. I am going to unbox the Keystone 3 Pro, and first reaction is it's very nice. It's well built, and I don't really know what to expect 100%. I've seen a couple videos, I've been on the website. So Keystone reached out to me and asked if I could review their Keystone 3 Pro, and I said yes, send it and I will give an honest review. So nothing is biased. This is going to be an unboxing video. There may be other videos in the future. So let's dive right into it. So the Moose brought a knife with them. So, depends on how loose Moose gets. He's got to be careful here. So we're going to unbox this. And when you order a hardware wallet, make sure that everything looks good. So you don't want any hardware wallet that's tampered with. That could be a huge problem, right? So the box looks good. It has its wrapping. So if you don't have the wrapper, for example, that's going to be a bad sign. So what some people will do is they will tamper with the wallet. So when you go to set it up and load up your crypto, they can drain it. So just make sure that everything looks good. The first thing you want to do is make sure that no one tampered with the package. We just explained why. So if we go to the back here, we have this little strip that you're going to peel. So we're going to go and peel this just like so. So that's kind of cool. And we're going to take a look inside. And again, this is a hardware wallet. This is going to act as an intermediary for our crypto. So it's going to add another layer of protection. So the box looks pretty sweet. I'll try to keep everything center frame here. And how do we open this? We just pull it back. Just like that, eh? So that's kind of cool. Nice little box. It even has a little bit of instructions here. Step 1, visit Quick Start Guide, configure Keystone Wallet. So we'll get into that maybe in a different video. So let's just see what's inside here. So here we have this really cool sheet of paper. And we've got this. Thank you. In gratitude for your ongoing support, we're offering a discount code. So we have a discount code here. So if we take a look, this is pretty cool. This is a nice unboxing experience, I must say. So it feels good. It kind of feels like a light phone. It's kind of what it feels like. Inside, this is just padding, so nothing important there. Just make sure. And we have a cable here. So there we go, another USB-C, which is kind of cool to see, right? And this is probably going to be the recovery seed sheets, I assume. So if we take a look here, this is packaged really nicely. So by the way, we will have a link down in the description below. I don't even have an affiliate link, so I'm just doing this for the company to check out. So I don't even know, like this isn't even English in the back. So it's just information, how to use, etc. And this is probably going to be the recovery sheets. So again, when you guys set up your wallets, please write down your 24-word or 12-word, whatever it is. Turn packaging into a drawer. Okay, really cool. So you can use this to put under your desk or something, perhaps. Okay, I get it. Okay, so you probably place this, and you have like a little drawer for your wallet, your hardware wallet. I know the focusing's a little bit lower here, so that is really cool. So that's the idea. You can use this as a drawer. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not, but perhaps in the future. So we'll set that aside. Let's get a closer look at the wallet itself. This should be the seed sheets though, right? There we go. I mean, not the best quality. I know we've played around with better, but it's something. So you can write down your 12, 15, 24 word, whatever it is. So definitely really cool. Comment down below if you have one of these devices. So this is the front of the device. So I'll leave it there for you to see. And on the side, you got a power button, and you have USB-C. Maybe I'll switch focusing a little bit too. So this is the front, looks pretty good. The back's nice, so it's nice to have this so you can take photos of the QR code when you're signing transactions. So if we compare this to something like the EliPal, you can see the moose. I'll wink at you. Very cool. And if we compare it to something like a Tangem, it's pretty big. In a Trezor Model T. So I wonder if we can turn it on. May have to charge it. No, it's coming on. So there we go. Very reflective. I could have set up my lights a little bit different, but English, scan QR code. So we'll do this in a different video. The screen looks pretty good. In fact, let me get something else. This reminds me a little bit more of the Nifty in terms of the size and feel. So I do have the Nifty, and this is an NFT wallet. Really, it's just an Ethereum wallet, but it shows your NFTs on the device. So yeah, we will have a link in the description below. I've seen good reviews. There's a lot of benefits to this wallet. So if you guys want to pick up a hardware wallet, we will have links down in the description below. That is the 4K unboxing, and check out the link tree that we have as well. So that being said, you guys do need a hardware wallet. So at worst, pick up something that you can afford. If you can afford this one, pick this up as well. So we will be doing another video in the future, I'm sure, and we'll see you in the next one.